Hi there, good morning, Ria from Maisie Moo. I thought I'd quickly put this video together on the folded coin purse. Been in my store for quite a while. I'm giving it a little revamp with some new fabrics and adding a couple of new extra styles. So it comes with 6 different shape flaps at the top. You've got scalloped, large and small, you've got a rounded, a square, fancy, and this envelope one here. So I'm going to quickly show you how easily it comes together. You're going to obviously need the template and you're going to need some snaps. Now I like cam snaps. This uses a extra long prong cam snap because I've got quite thick material. So what you'll do is you'll cut it out. It's got your holes already. What you want to do is take the snap with the pointed end and you want to fold one side over, start with the sides. Here we go. Now, something I like to do at this stage is apply the tiniest little spot of glue under this flap here. And all that's going to do is just help hold everything together when I go over to my cam snap machine, which is quite big and on the other side of the studio, so I will have to stop and start for that. Now we're bringing this bottom bit up and you can see it's all lining up with that prong. Folding this over. Oops. So again, I'm going to put the tiniest little dot of glue, not too close to where the prong is because you don't want the glue to get in the way of when you're closing your snap. But what it's done there is it means that this isn't going to twist when you do close your snap machine on it. Okay, so give me a moment and I'll go and do that one there. So you've got to make sure you've got your right. We've got the bottom one on and now the top. Simply pop that through and again. Okay, so we've got the top snap connected, we've got the bottom snap there connected, and you simply fold over and snap down. There we go. So you might want to add a touch of glue under these overlapping parts here because if you put coins or money in, it may slip through. I mean, it's quite a nice big overlap, but just running a wee line down there keeps it all neat and tidy. 1, 2, but it's a really versatile design, this. You can pop your business cards in, or you might be heading out for the night, put your cards in, credit cards and whatnot. I've also included in with the files a small bow, very straightforward, but pop that on and how cute is that? What a lovely gift for someone. So I hope that shows you just how easy the folded coin pieces are, and you have 6 designs too to choose from, which is pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.